Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook 60 record not working issue. So without wasting any time, let's jump right to it. Solution 1. Clear caches and storage. First of all, you need to close this page and open the settings app. Scroll down and tap on app management. Next, tap on app list. Here, find and tap on Facebook app from the list. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear caches in the bottom right corner. Then tap on clear storage. Confirm by typing delete on the pop-up. Once done, go back and tap on permissions. Make sure to allow all the permissions for Facebook. Solution 2. Resend the code. For that, tap on the resend code option on the Facebook verification screen. Wait for a new code and enter it when it arrives. This should resolve the issue. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.